Hi everyone, happy Monday, happy Thanksgiving. Neda's here, and today I'm here with a video that I would like to talk a little bit about how to cover your Simplicity Master machine properly and correctly. I've seen in a lot of videos that people using this machine, and I have it, and I know how hard is it to cover and use this machine. And I've seen, unfortunately, some people don't cover it or don't cover it at all or don't cover it properly. And sometimes I've seen some people that they just put the, for example, sleeve cord over it and then slide it up and just like that, and they still working, because this machine has a little switch in here that you can adjust the length of your needle. And when you are working, and if you need to adjust the needle size, the length of the needle, sometimes I've seen that these the artist might just get rid of this like that and adjust it and work, and that is completely wrong. So I'm going to show you how to properly, with two different sleeves, you can cover this safely, and to protect you and your client from any sort of cross-contamination. I don't have to explain the importance of cross-contamination, because as an artist, it's your duty to know about it and search about it. But it's let's get into this, and I will show you how to, with the help of this type of tapes, grip tapes, and two sleeve cord, you can safely cover your Simplicity Master or Simplicity Artist. Okay, so first thing first, you have to make sure that you wipe down the whole surface with a disinfectant wipes, proper ones, and then leave it 3 to 5 minutes to dry out. After that, you're going to grab a little bit of this tape, and so this section goes into the needle. If I have a needle to show you, there you go. So this section is always covered with the needle, okay, but the rest is out for and prone to touch and transmitting the bacteria. So I'm going to blood or bacteria. So I'm going to go very close, like to here, super tight. Make sure that you cover this area, and you're only going to cover the first section of the machine. And go all the way, make it nice, and give it a very good coverage, something like that. All right, now this is covered. This section is still free, okay, so you can easily wrap this. So now I'm going to plug in my machine like that, and use the longer sleeve here. And I'm going to bring it all the way up to this area that this is still free, okay? And I'm going to secure this section again with my tape. Go very tight and make sure you secure that, and make sure your gloves doesn't stick in there. Make sure this still has freedom to move. And once you're done, you can go ahead and go to the next section. Okay, so now these two sections are covered. I'm going to use one of these to cover the whole machine like that, and it will be ready to use. Now you can set up your needle, and you will turn your machine on. During your tattooing, you will be able to freely adjust the length of your needle and move this around. Like, it's very easy now. And the machine is working, it's nice and clean, wrapped, and you're good to do your practice. And as I said, this area is covered by needle itself, so you can easily start working on your client without being worried about putting yourself or your client in danger. I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope to see more students or more people using this machine, covering it properly. And if you have any question about it, and if you have any points or information you would like to give others, feel free to comment below, and I would be happy to answer you with your question. Thank you so much. Today is Thanksgiving. I would like to say that I am really thankful for every and each of you, especially those who leave me comments and guide me through the this channel that I newly created, and we almost have 600 subscribers. It means a lot, and I'm so grateful and thankful for your support. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.